and welcome to this Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be looking at saving images. On screen here I have an image already open, and if we click on File we can see that we have two options for saving. We have Save and Save As. Now Save will automatically save, no questions asked. Now if we click Save As, it gives us a lot more options. So starting at the top we have Save In. Clicking this button here will show us the different areas on your computer where you could save your image. We can also look on the left hand side here and again locate where we would like to save our image. If we look at the top here, this little button here, we can create a new folder. So we can make a new folder to save our image into, so it's always good to stay organized. The view menu here, we can change the way we view what's on screen. So click on thumbnails, we will see as pictures. So quite a nice method. A little bit further down here, we have file name. So you can type in the title. So let's put in Nikon camera. It's best to not type in your extension because confusion can occur at this stage. So if I've known people to think that maybe by typing .psd it will create a Photoshop document. Now this is where confusion may arise because we have format which does that job. So if we take the end off and click on format, you'll see there's lots of different ways of saving documents in Photoshop. The native document format is PSD, so that's the Photoshop format. That will make sure that however you've edited your picture of Photoshop, it will maintain any information such as layers, etc. So Photoshop format is a really good method to use. It's really high quality as well, so it's an excellent way of saving your imagery. It does have a size limit of 2 GB, but that really doesn't normally pose a problem. But if you have a larger file, then the Photoshop PSB is the better one to go for. So PSB, and we should be able to find it in this list somewhere. Here we go, second one down. So large document format, PSB. The TIFF format, which is right down the bottom here, it's a widely read format. It's very similar to the PSD format and will give you, maximum quality. We also have the PDF format. Now PDF is a format which is coming on in leaps and bounds. It's very versatile. It's rapidly improving file type, and it's originally native to Illustrator, I believe. But it's a format which is readable by a number of applications, which makes it very powerful. Quite often, people will save as JPEG. So the JPEG format here. Now this is a compression file, so it's excellent at saving space on your computer. Lots of cameras will shoot in JPEG, so if you're taking photographs it will shoot in JPEG, which is great, it's all fine, but the RAW format on a camera gives you a lot more detail, and saving as a Photoshop document will also give you a lot more detailed information in your file types. Saying that, there is nothing really wrong with the JPEG. If you're happy with your image that you see on screen and you're not worried about losing any potential kind of information from the document, then JPEG is a good thing to go for. Especially when it comes to printing a document, JPEG makes the file a lot smaller and easier to process. Okay, so my advice really is while you're working, save as Photoshop files. When you're ready to send to print, save as JPEG. Okay, but the options are there for you. But when you're ready, once you've got your file name in there, you've got your format set, it's just a case of hitting save. And job done. Okay, I hope that was useful. Thank you very much.